Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of April 12th in my Recollections Celestial planner using a pretty little sleep in, nap time kind of lazy Sunday kit from Sticker Guru. Which is a shop that I PR for. Y'all already know. Just check the description for my codes and stuff. Anyway, though, I've already pre-planned this week because, I like to plan what's going to be happening. And then I go back in and day by day kind of just memory keep with the things that have already happened. And that way my planner also doesn't look so blank. All these blank white spots I like to fill in. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. First off, I'm going to use this beautiful, kind of clever, it's Clever Gal Crafts, and it's a collab sheet with Rose and Tea Shop, so it's kind of like a beautiful, I don't know, collab sheet or whatever. And so it's from their shop anniversary. I'm going to take the one with the flag and the little floral corner, and I'm going to grab a dollar sign, or no, it's like a dollar bill, money icon or whatever from the Giving Girl. That's from a sampler from a long time ago. And then I have a budget time script from Piper Paper Company. And it's meant to kind of go across the entire box, so I just cut it so it was two different words so it would fit next to the icon. Because I had to update my budget and checkbook and stuff. For those of you who don't know, I used to work for a bank, and so I keep a checkbook register, but I don't really write checks. I just keep the register just to write down, like every single transaction and the amount it should have cleared for and what my balance is supposed to be. It just gives me major anxiety to log into my bank account and be like, oh my gosh, why is my balance lower than I thought it was? You know what I mean? So anyways, I just did some tidying up in the kitchen. So I grabbed a quarter box from the kit and then a dishwasher icon from an older $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek Studio. And then one of my side bows from my freebie with Sticker Guru. And then a honey inked flourish to go in between there just to give it a little bit of that planner extra jewelry. And then for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote stronger arms just because, I feel like it's really hard to notice changes in your own body, whether that's losing weight or gaining muscle or whatever it is, because of a combination of things. But so it's kind of a non-scale victory for me. On Monday, I felt like, I think I just noticed my arms in the mirror and I was like, oh, they look more toned. And I was just surprised because I only lift twice a week, but I mean, it is, more activity than I used to do. So I usually stick to 5 days a week cardio and then twice a week weights. But yeah, I was like, oh, whoa, who is she, For Tuesday, I'm going to use a, is this a quarter? I think it's a quarter box. I'm going to use this box from the kit and then one of these cute floral teardrops from the Giving Girl from that freebie, and then a really old icon from Station Stickers. It was like a clear icon sheet I hung onto from a long time ago with a spray bottle because we had our bug guy come and spray the outside of the house because he sprays once a month to keep any bugs from sneaking in. And then to separate that, I used a swirly flourish from Honey Inked. Then I'm going to take this piece of a mandala that I had cut from Honey Inked, and I don't know, I saved it from somewhere else. It was from last week's spread or something, and I never used it. And then I have this beautiful funky midi size box from the Giving Girl. I love these different size boxes and shapes and such, and then the florals on it are so cute. And then I have a Crafts by Thaowie car icon. And that box is just going to be for my in-laws had my car appraised at CarMax to see what they would give me, because I still have a loan out. I had a loan out on that car, and we wanted to see if they would buy it and pay off the loan and then maybe even get a little extra. So they went and had my car appraised. Then I just took a another quarter box from the kit, and I used a Clever Gal Crafts, another, icon from that sheet with the heart because I gave my son a haircut and I don't have any kind of haircut icons, so I figured a heart would do just fine. So I gave my son a haircut on Tuesday, and then that floral divider is by Dash Sun Designs, and that is another shop I PR for. And then for my gratitude, on Tuesday I wrote Mom's Groceries because I went and took my mom to the grocery store on Tuesday. I just didn't have the room to put it in, but she needed some help with the grocery store. And then to thank me for my troubles, because I take her to all her doctor appointments and to the grocery store and stuff sometimes, she will buy me some groceries, for the whole family. Obviously she'll buy us some groceries. And so that was really nice of her to do occasionally, Then moving on to Wednesday, my son had some state mandated testing, so I'm going to use another quarter box from the kit, and then I have this testing script from a really old sticker bloom sheet. I think she goes by Vanilla Paper Co now or something like that. There's like a lot of drama with her shops though, so I don't buy from her anymore, but it's really old. And then I have this Sadie Stickers squiggly doodle like flourish thing that I got from her 2020 advent calendar. I'm going to change it out though because I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but it just reminds me of an L way too much because I do my cursive L's like that, you know, because my name's Lisa. And so, I mean, I don't do that little loop at the end, but the first beginning part of it that does that little swoop swoop to the left and the right, that's kind of what my L's look like. And it just, I can't get it out of my head that it just looks like an L. So it's like weird to me. So I do, but I do like it. I do end up like cutting it so it doesn't look like an L anymore. And then instead I just use this other one. And then that backpack icon is another old $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek. Because again, it was my son doing some testing at the school. And that's the reason we cut his hair on Tuesday. Well, I cut it because it was getting kind of long and he was going to be going to his actual school for the very first time. He has never set foot inside of his school until Wednesday because he started the 6th grade at a new school and it was, you know, amidst the pandemic. So he was not doing in-person schooling. So this was his very first time. It was really exciting for him. Then that beautiful bouquet is from JK Creates Co., which is a new shop to our community by the lovely Jana. She is such a sweet person. I am on her PR team, so make sure you use my code Lisa15 to save and get my freebie. And I just use that as a little accent next to the backpack. Then I have this pretty flourishy, it kind of reminds me of leaves, kind of flourish divider thing from Honey Inked. And I cut it up so that it would look like, you know, some kind of a falling dangly deco situation. And then I also have this cute little bow dangly thing from who was that from? Sadie Stickers? Yeah, I think Sadie Stickers, and it came on the Francesca freebie. And I had saved it on the sticker paper just because I don't know, I was going to use it somewhere and I didn't, so I just put it down. But I decided to use it there to make it look cute. And then for my gratitude on Wednesday was that I sold my car on Wednesday. And I forgot to put it in my planner, but I do go back and put it in. And they gave me $6,000, which was amazing because I only owed like $4,400 left on it. So, you know, I was like, great, because then I can use that difference to put a down payment on a new car. So we are on the hunt for a new car for me. And this time out, y'all, I'm tired of getting used cars. I mean, they're great. You know, they have their perks, but also it's like, especially my car, I got my car when it had a lot of miles on it already. And so by the time I paid it off, it had over 100,000. It's starting to run into all these problems, and it's not even paid off yet. I'd rather get a brand new car, pay it off in 5 years, and then, you know, it still is relatively kind of newish. It's only 5 years old, right? So it's not going to have that much problems if I'm taking care of it. And then, you know, down the line, if I make sure I'm maintaining it and stuff, yeah, it'll start having wear and tear, but at least it's paid off. You know what I mean? So anyways, I'm really grateful for that. Thursday, I'm going to take a flag from the kit and then a flag from Clever Girl Crafts and a kitty butt from the newer icon sheet of Strawberry Creek Studio because I deep clean the litter box on Thursday, which I do once a month. I did use the Dash of Sun Designs like floral above it, but I didn't like that situation, so I'm going to change it later. Then I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit and another backpack from Strawberry Creek and a side bow transparent dot from the Give and Girl because my son was behind on quite a lot of assignments. He uses a planner, but he had just kind of forgotten to use it, thanks to his ADHD. And so he was behind on a lot of assignments, and I had to spend a lot of my time making sure that he was like emailing professors to ask what he was behind on, and then telling them I did this assignment, when's it going to update my grade, because he had waited a couple days since then, and we wanted to make sure it was going to reflect on his new grade. The semester was kind of closing out. And then, like, if he needed help with something, like, I would try to help him and look it up because, y'all, I don't remember how to do that kind of schoolwork. Or he would call his grandpa because my husband's dad was a teacher, a 2nd grade teacher, so he would try to help too. It was, like, a lot of my time spent helping him, okay, because moms are teachers too. Then I also spent some time meal prepping some food on Thursday, so I grabbed a 3rd box from the kit and then a Honey Inked floral deco and an Instant Pot by Waldsummer Designs. And above that, I put another Dash of Sun Designs floral divider. And then in between that, I put a Give and Girl, one of those new flowery dividers from her freebie that she sent. Then I remembered, there's no room obviously Wednesday for me to put in that I sold my car, but I wanted to put it in because it's such a major thing. So I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then this car icon from Strawberry Creek, and a Pretty Pink Co. Divider, squiggle divider thing, and then a honey inked flourish divider on the top of that. And then I just wrote in that I sold my car, OMG, and just put that in the bottom washi because sometimes if something, I just don't have room for it, but I really want to mark it, I'll just put it in the bottom washi. Unless it's like really pretty bottom washi, like super pretty, then I might just cover up the full box instead. It's a struggle, y'all. One of them's got to get covered up. My gratitude on Thursday was I wrote no snacks because I kind of struggle with like getting the munchies at night and wanting to eat something because we eat dinner at like 6 or 7 at the latest, and then if you're staying up till like midnight, it's like been hours, and I'm like I'm kind of feeling a little hungry, but I'm trying to stop that. It's a bad habit, so Thursday we had no snacks. Friday I took out that little transparent sticky note that was from the Giving Girl, just to remind me that the PPC sale started on Friday, and I didn't write it in my planner for some reason. That's why that was there, was so I could write it in my planner, and instead I wrote Mercari listings, whatever. So yeah, I just used a appointment label, and then the $ is an older $ from Dashes and Designs, and then I put a honey inked squiggle divider above that, and that was pretty much all I could fit in for Friday. For my gratitude on Friday, I wrote an anniversary gift delivered because it was recently last week, my anniversary with my wedding anniversary with my husband, and his gift finally came in on Friday, so I was grateful that he got his gift. Then on to Saturday, I'm going to take a Giving Girl bowstring cloud and a Sticker Guru kind of starburst mandala type of thing. It's not, you know what I mean. It's from a $2 Tuesday. And then I have this really pretty fitness icon sampler from the Giving Girl that came in her 2020 advent calendar. And I'm going to layer that with another JK Creates Co. floral bouquet. I love this one with the like circle behind it. It just is so like unique and pretty, and it's actually one I believe that is on my freebie. I don't know. I had a hard time picking because there's just so many pretty things that she has, like pretty options. Anyways, though, I haven't gotten my freebies from her yet, so I can't say for sure. I forgot. Anyways, I'll show y'all on my Instagram when I get it. And that was just to write in that my son went on a hike with his grandparents. I had to work, but they were going on a hike because it was like the start of like National Park Week or something. So they were no entry fees. So they asked if we wanted to go on a hike, and I said I have to work, but they took him and he had a great time. And then I'm going to take this pretty mandala from Dashes and Designs, and there's some really cute deco in this kit, but I did have a hard time kind of utilizing it just personally because I like to use it as like deco, and sometimes it doesn't have anything to do with what I'm marking. But it was a little more specific where I felt like, like a bagel piece of deco. I don't know. I'd kind of want to use that for like actually bagels or something, or the pillows in the kit. Maybe I'd like to use that for like actually, napping or something. I don't know. So the cute little set of underwear I thought would be really cute because I just marked it for Target. And then I took a little bow just to put on the bra because I thought it was really cute. That's from the Francesca freebie from Sadie Stickers. And then the Target script is from Wild Summer Designs. And then, of course, the flourish underneath it is from Honey Inked, as well as this divider flourish that I'm putting over the half box right now. I don't know why I've liked to do that lately. It just kind of adds a little something to the half box without being too much, I guess. And so for our little family movie time or whatever, I always save that half box for like our movie night or TV night or whatever. We just watched Falcon and the Winter Soldier because we love our Marvel movies. And then I put one of those, another one of those Giving Girl, whatever those are, like flower bow corner deco things. They're so cute. I don't know what they are, but put that in the corner to cover the bow so it wouldn't be like a random bow there, I guess. I don't know. My watch wants me to go to sleep. It's not even that late. It's barely 10:15. Anyways. And then I'm going to take another one of those fun size boxes from the Giving Girl sampler, and then a Dashes and Designs nail polish icon because one of my favorite nail polish brands, Hollow Taco, released her new polish on Saturday, which was the pastel hollows, and it's so pretty. I can't wait to show y'all on Instagram. And then for my gratitude, I wrote breezy day because I love a cool weathered, like in the 70s kind of breezy day. It's so nice. And I love rainy weather. So those are my favorite kind of, that's why fall is kind of my favorite. It's not rainy, but the breeziness and the cool weather, it's so nice. Anyways, so for Sunday, I'm just filling out my checklist, and then I realized I forgot to write upload plan with me right there. That's what that was for uploading my plan with me. Then there's that Sadie stickers divider that looked like an L and it looked weird, but I ended up cutting it so I could use it. So I put that there. Then I was going to just put a half box right here, but I decided to go ahead and do the vertical half box layering with 2 of them style because it just takes up more space, and definitely what I'm marking just takes up way too much time. It's so annoying. This is just a mark that I was putting in some job applications on Sunday. So I'm going to layer a couple of half boxes and then use a laptop bow doodle from Dash With Me Designs, and then a really old Today script from Sadie Stickers. This is like vintage, like years old. I mean, even look at her name, Sadie Stickers, on the sheet. It's like the old style. I don't even know how old it is, but still have it. And just says Today. And then I used a honey inked floral deco, and then a Dash With Me Designs flourish divider. That's one of her smaller ones. And yeah, I just put in some job applications on Sunday. I just hate doing job applications so much. I usually use like Indeed, and you can just do like one-click applications, and those are the best. But sometimes the job that I want to apply for, you have to apply on their company website, and it's so annoying. I mean, first of all, looking for jobs that I could qualify for and I would like, it takes like half an hour. But then on top of that, I have to upload my resume, but then they ask me all the same stuff that's already on my resume. It's like, why do you even want my resume? They're like, list all of your job experience. What are all your duties? Blah, 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 blah. And it's like, it takes me like a good hour just to do one job application. It's very frustrating. And then for my gratitude on Sunday night, I just wrote kitty friend because my son and I have been feeding this stray cat that we saw in our backyard. I don't even know what my end game is with this, y'all, but we just saw him and gave him some of our cat's cat food, and he's been coming back every night. And now I feel like I can't just stop giving him food. And he's such a little cutie. He's still really afraid of us, but it's just like he was sneaking around back there, and I thought, oh, let's give him a little food. He doesn't have a collar, and I don't see any chips on his ear, so I guess we'll just see what happens. And that is going to be pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up because it helps me out and I super appreciate your support. Be sure you're subscribed if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. I upload about 2 to 3 times a week. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi. I will say hi back and respond to your comment because I respond to all of my comments. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever try to tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!